Understanding healthy growth in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrases healthy growth. Whether you're learning English for personal development, academic purposes, or just for fun, understanding these phrases is key to enhancing your language skills. So, let's dive in. Healthy growth refers to the positive and beneficial development of something. This phrase is often used in various contexts such as business, personal development, and biology. In business, it could mean the steady and sustainable increase in a company's profits or size. In personal development, it refers to the progressive improvement of one's skills, character, or emotional well-being. In biology, it denotes the natural and balanced development of living organisms. To further understand healthy growth, let's look at some examples. In a business context, the startup experienced healthy growth in its first year, doubling its customer base. In personal development, attending the workshop contributed to her healthy growth in communication skills. In biology, the healthy growth of the plants was evident from their vibrant leaves and strong stems. Now, let's practice using healthy growth in sentences. The company's healthy growth can be attributed to its innovative products. His dedication to meditation and exercise led to his healthy growth in mental and physical health. Understanding similar phrases or synonyms is essential. Here are a few: steady development, progressive improvement, balanced growth. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of healthy growth. Remember, learning a language is a journey of continuous growth and improvement. Keep practicing, and you'll surely experience your own healthy growth in English language proficiency. See you in the next video.